Welcome back, everyone. Well, it's been another hot day today, but these are a look at high temperatures recorded yesterday, and we did tie or break some records across parts of the viewing area. Those cities that you see the symbols either tied or broke the record, which includes Casey. They broke a record from 1981. We tied our record here in Charleston at the station at Eastern's campus. The record was set back in 1933. And then the city of Sullivan also broke their record with a high of 88 that was set. Their old record was set back in 2014. And other cities across the area were close to the records, but they're going to be staying in the record books for a little bit longer. But as we look at area conditions right now, temperatures were once again warm across the area. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some of those conditions breaking records once again for us this afternoon. So as we look, we're at 92 right now in Paris, 91 in Terre Haute. It's 90 still down in Effingham along with Champaign. And in Charleston, we're at 88 degrees. As we look at wind speeds right now, we are seeing those winds out of the southwest. That's what's ushering in all that warmer air for us this afternoon. We have a 10-mile-an-hour breeze in Terre Haute along with Decatur and 6 here in Charleston. So as we look at satellite radar loop over the last few hours, you can see that we're quiet across the area, but we're in the warm sector right now. The warm front that caused some of that severe weather on Sunday is now well off to the north. And this over here across Iowa is actually the cold front, which has prompted a tornado watch for parts of Iowa and Missouri. We're not expecting to see any of that activity make its way into the viewing area as we go through the next few days, but that cold front will eventually make its way in, and once it does, it is going to cool off our temperatures quite a bit. So we still have another hot day on the way for tomorrow, 89 degrees. Our average is 73, so we're well above our averages for this time of year. We're down to 77 on Thursday, and that's actually when the cold front will slide through the area. And once it moves through, that's when we're going to see those temperatures drop below average all the way down to 68 on Friday. And then those temperatures are going to slowly climb up to more seasonal conditions as we get into the weekend. So it is a very nice taste of fall, and just in time for the start of fall as well. And as we look into October, we're going to be seeing another reminder of fall, and that's our decreasing daylight. We're going to lose about an hour and 13 minutes of daylight from the start of the month by the time we get all the way down to Halloween. And that's what's really going to help make those trees, their leaves change color, is that loss of daylight. So as we pick up Futurecast around sunset tonight, we're going to see those mostly clear skies continuing across the area. And then we're going to see that cloud cover roll in around midday tomorrow. But again, I think most of us are going to be staying dry tomorrow. The best chances for any scattered showers or thunderstorms is going to be focused across our northern counties, which you can see indicated here on Futurecast. But again, most of us, I think, will stay dry. We stay dry Wednesday night, and going into the day on Thursday, that's when the cold front will move through. And I think we're just going to see an increase in cloud cover, maybe a stray shower on Thursday, but that cold front's not really going to have much to work with across our area, as many of us have been dry for the last few weeks across the area. So then once that cold front moves through, we're going to see clearing conditions and cooler air on the way. Here's a look at your 4x4 forecast. All 16 of our counties, 4 at a time. These are your daytime highs on Friday. Look at that. Temperatures only topping out in the 60s across the area. Daytime temperatures again in the upper 60s is actually going to be below our average, which is right around 73 degrees for this time of year. But overnight tonight, we're going to be above average. In fact, if we get down to 70 degrees, this will be in the record book as the warmest overnight low in the history. So 70 degrees tonight, unseasonably warm, still that southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Another warm day on the way for tomorrow, a high of 89 degrees under those mostly sunny skies. And some cloud cover possible in the afternoon. Best chances for any precipitation are across our northern counties, but I think most of us will stay dry. And as we look at the next 7 days, there's the relief from the heat. We're going to see those temperatures falling back down into the upper 60s on Friday. We climb up into the 70s for the weekend, and that's also where we're going to see another chance of rain. I think mostly it's going to be Saturday night, maybe a few lingering showers Sunday morning, and then after that, another cold front goes through, and we see temperatures back down in the mid-60s next week.
Thanks, Everett.